Good afternoon. My name is Andrea from BF Real Estate, and with me I have Rosemary Mwanza, a Zambian real estate agent. Today we're discussing real estate business in Zambia. Rosemary, what is the name of your company?
I'm currently working for Property Partners. Property Partners is owned by Kathy Miller, and I'm a partner there. I started real estate when I was at college. It all started as a part-time job. I was at Zambia Center of Accountancy Studies where I did my CIMA. I studied CIMA up to the diploma level. And whilst I was being trained, I was working for Knight Frank, Zambia. I worked there for 5 years where I was trained. After working for a year, I was taken to do a course which is under ZIA, which is Zambia Institute of Estate Agents. And I think I gained valuable insight about the market, the property industry, and it all became something, it turned into something natural, something that I enjoyed doing and like a profession. Yeah.
Okay. What types of properties do you invest in?
Well, Property Partners, we usually deal with a lot of expatriate network. We are based in Lilai, and I would say most of our properties range from around $500 to $5,000. We're usually dealing with high-end properties and middle-income properties.
Okay. So what challenges have you faced in the industry?
Well, from my experience, I think we've had a lot of, because of dealing with people from different cultures and expatriates, you find that there is need in the negotiating stage. We usually have a lot of, personally I've experienced a lot of challenges when it comes to having an agreement between a landlord and a tenant. If it's a sale, an agreement between, trying to reach an agreeable price. So I would say dealing with difficult clients has been one of my challenges, and also working with unregistered agents, because you would agree with me that every institution needs control, and it's very difficult at times to control these unregistered agents.
How did you learn about the website BF Real Estate Zambia?
If you can recall, I think I received a newsletter in my emails, and that's how I got to know about BF Real Estate.
Have you had any interaction, or had you had any interaction with BF Real Estate before you signed up?
Yes. After receiving the newsletter, I contacted them to find out more about who they are, and I also wanted to know if they were registered, because I didn't want to involve myself with people that have just come in on the market without knowing how the market is like. So after interacting with them, I discovered that we're on the same page. These are professional people, and if I can recall, we had a workshop with them where they were orienting us on how to use their website, how to post properties.
How has the platform benefited you so far?
It has helped me to be exposed to both the domestic market and the foreign market.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So does this mean you get inquiries from around the world?
Yes, I do get inquiries from UK, India, mentioned just a few, but it's really helpful.
Okay.
Yeah.
So earlier you mentioned being a member of ZIA. That is the Zambia Institute of Estate Agency. I would like to know, how can a real estate agent who's just starting out in Zambia become a member of this institution?
Joining this organization is very simple. All you need is, if you have a grade 12 certificate, you just need to submit that, your NRC, and there's an exam that you need to sit for. And once you pass, the exams are very flexible. I think it only takes for about 3 weeks for you to get done. Yes.
Okay. Right. Is there any kind of payment?
Yes, there is, but they have to get in touch with the Zambia Institute of Estate Agents to get the figures.
Okay.
And find out when the next sitting is, when they're sitting or when the exams are ready. Yeah.
Okay.
But the exams are flexible. There's no timetable. Usually when you go to their offices, they'll give you information when the next sitting is and how much you're supposed to pay.
Okay. So to go over that, one needs to have a grade 12 certificate and also provide other documents that are required by the board of Zia, following which they undergo training and are certified or licensed once they've completed the training. Okay. What are the benefits actually of working with the Institute, Zambia Institute of Estate Agency?
Well, I would say it creates quality assurance in a sense that people get to be more professional, and apart from that, it also creates career development.
My final question is, why should clients look forward to working with property partners?
I always ask clients to give me feedback when I deliver a service, to say, what did you like about the service? What should we do better? And every time people get to appreciate my patience, and I'm a person who's more persistent. I make sure if somebody is looking for something, I have to know what are they really looking for. Like, I'm a problem solver. They will always say, thank you, you helped me solve my problem. Property partners are professional agents, and we always want to deliver to our clients. We always want to make our clients happy. And it's not only just about making them happy, it's also making sure that they get value for their money. And this is what we do even in person. When we rent out a house, we don't just end it there. We have their contacts, we have their names. If it's a 1-year lease, we have a system that shows that this person is, at this time, the lease has come to an end. So we'll follow up. Are they still in the country, or they've gone out, or they're still around? Then once we find out if they need to relocate, we'll still find something for them. And they'll have more confidence in us because we did something in the first place. We found something good for them. So they won't even want to go elsewhere. They'll still come to us. So people should try us and see.
Thank you so much for your time, Rosemary. So to get in touch with Rosemary and find out more about her properties, you can look her up on our website, bforrealestate.com. My name is Andrea Piri, and this is BF Real Estate. Until next time, thank you.